An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ashland County, Richland County, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles northeast of Belleville and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ashland, Loudonville, Hayesville, Savannah. Folks, this is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland and Richland.
Urgent weather message.